Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shashank and welcome back to this channel. So if you own an Android device, you may likely have heard of an APK file at some point and possibly wondered what it even is. Well, understanding this is essential if you want to start downloading or you already download APK files or leaked apps, or let's say customizing your Android experience further than wouldn't be possible with the Play Store alone. In this video, you'll get to know all about APKs and pros and cons of downloading an APK. Well, that being said, let's get straight into the video. Now let's see some of the pros of downloading an APK file. See, APK files of newer Android builds are often leaked ahead of time, giving you early access to all the exciting features that otherwise wouldn't be available to you through the native Play Store. Second is that some apps are restricted to regions outside your own. For example, an app may be available to download in US but not in your country. So the only option you get is to download it from external sources in the form of APK. Also, app updates can take a frustrating amount of time to arrive automatically over the air, or getting the latest APK for your favorite apps will let you jump. Fourth, probably you might even not like a particular app after an update, or the new app update may bring many bugs to the app. So by default, Play Store don't allow you to downgrade the app version. So in this case, the only option is to download an older version of the APK and install it. Fifth one, the last is downloading paid or pirated apps for free. See, this might look a good deal from outside to you, but it's not. I'll explain it in a minute. So after all of these pros, don't you feel like it's too good to be true? Well, let's jump to the cons of downloading an APK. Well, the first downside of downloading an APK file is that various apps on Play Store are open source, meaning that the full source code of the APK is available to download and edit by your own, and anyone with intermediate coding knowledge can edit the APK file, and this thing gives an open doorway for hackers to get access to your devices without letting you know. Now the second flaw here is that some APK download services let you download pirated or paid apps for free. This is illegal and should be avoided. Worse still, sketchy APK files may contain malware and may harm your device, as many who thought they were getting early access of the Fortnite for Android discovered to their dismiss. Well, this is why you get this pop-up whenever you download an APK file on Android. Now, well, you might ask, what if, Shashank, I need to download an APK file and it's important? Well, my answer to that would be do some research before you download, so you don't do anything against the law or contaminate your device. You might download the app APK from their official website or go for some trusted APK sources like XDA or GitHub. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, a sub to the channel would be awesome. Share it with your friends and like this video. Start. If you own an Android device, See, APK files of newer. Well, the first downside of APK is that various fourth, probably you might think that the full code of the app is available to download, and what if I need to download Second is that some apps are restricted to regions outside your own. For example,